The Malibu Kayak X-13 offers both speed and stability for a wide range of paddlers. The X-13 includes spacious bow storage and a patented low-profile gator hatch child seat. There is a center hatch with bag, side and front carry handles, built-in paddle holders, and a large open rear well to handle most of your fishing, camping, or paddle outings.
The X-13 offers a performance-orientated hull design to suit those paddlers looking to get somewhere in a hurry or just looking for a smooth and stable ride. The X-13 offers a low to mid-weight range performance hull design with plenty of storage and added features that you just can't find on other brands. Come paddle the X-13 today. You'll be glad you did.